absolutely no wrong or right way to apply makeup. You do what works for you. You do what's best for you, what you feel comfortable in, and in short, you do you. So if you like false eyelashes, go for it. You like bold lips, bold eyes, go for it. More bronzer, less bronzer, no bronzer, just go for it. Foxy eyes, cat eyes, smoky eyes. Basically, in short, you do you. And that's what's important. You need to feel beautiful in whatever you do. Today's makeup is basically a no fuss, natural looking, more youthful looking makeup. And if this is what you want to see, then go grab yourself a cup of coffee or tea and let's dive right in. Start with washing your face thoroughly, serum and moisturizer, and your sunscreen. Starting with color correcting cream from itcosmetics, I take a pump at the back of my hand, like so. And with the foundation brush, I start to work my foundation from the center outwards, covering my entire face. This cream is lighter than a foundation, has SPF 50+, provides hydration, smooths texture, and enhances brightness. It doesn't crease or crack. It's infused with collagen, peptides, niacin, hyaluronic acids, vitamins, and antioxidants. It's a perfect blend of skincare and makeup. Taking the itcosmetics under eye concealer, I start with less than a pea size at the back of my hand, work it through my fingers, warm the product, and then apply onto my under eyes and wherever I need it. Make sure that your under eye concealer matches with your skin color so that it can color correct really well. With what's left on the brush, I apply on my lids as a base for my eyeshadow. And then I spot conceal to cover my blemishes. With the translucent setting powder from Laura Mercier, I take a small fluffy brush and then dab into the setting powder, dab off the excess, and then apply in the center of my face wherever I have applied the concealer. And then use a good setting spray like this one to lock in the base. Now for your eyeshadow, all you need is just one eyeshadow color, which is a dark brown. Take a flat eyeshadow brush, dab into the color, dab off the excess, and then lightly pat it onto the eyelids close to the eyelashes. With a crease brush and the same eyeshadow, run into the sockets of your eyes so that the eyes don't look flat from the concealer that we applied earlier. With a clean blender brush, lightly blend to make it all look diffused and seamless. With an eyeliner brush, dip into the same eyeshadow and run across your lower lashes to create a shadow and give definition to your eyes. Taking an angled brush and dabbing into the same eyeshadow, we will create an eyeliner by patting the product as close to the lash line. A small tip, using an eyeshadow as your liner is great because in the hot weather and humidity, you don't have to worry about your eyeliner from budging or smudging. It will stay put the entire time. Putting on a mascara makes your eyes look open and adds a finesse to your eye look. Now for the feminine touch, blush is a must. I'm using the blush in Kiss Me from Cosmetics. This is a gorgeous color but highly pigmented, and so I'm using a large fluffy blush for a safer and even distribution. And remember that we aren't using a bronzer here for this look, so our blush can absolutely become a bronzer and use it on our temples and some on our nose and chin, just like we would use a bronzer. And to marry all the colors of the face, I apply a little of that blush onto my eyelids. Another tip, since we are going for a more youthful look, apply the blush in an upward angle. It will give your cheeks a more lifted effect. And it's glow time. My absolute favorite is this highlighter from Milani. It is so smooth, just like a butter, and finely milled. And so it gives a lovely sheen, like shine from within, not a sparkle. And I start by applying it right in the center of my eyelids. Now it looks as if it's not making much of a difference, but oh boy. Once you hit that sun, that pearls in the highlighter reflects the most beautiful light, giving you such a healthy glow. I go back with my blender brush and blend out just the edges where the highlighter meets the socket. And for the extra touch of glow, I just highlight with the same highlighter my highest points of my face, which is my cheeks, my temples, and then my nose, and then some on my cupid bow and a little bit on my chin. To outline my lips, I'm using a universal flattering lip liner shade for all skin types from Charlotte Tilbury in Lip Cheat. To soften the sharpness of the lip liner, I lightly smudge it with my fingers. And another Charlotte Tilbury Universal Flattering shade of lipstick in Pillow Talk. It's like your lips but better color. And with the lip liner, it's the best combo. Alright guys, so this is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, hi, this is Ishi. Welcome to my channel, and do consider hitting that subscribe button if you haven't already. Also do follow me on Insta. I would totally love that, and I will see you all in my next video. Until then, you guys keep loving, keep living, keep laughing, and I love you so much. Take care of yourselves. Bye.